Hello and welcome to your agOnline tutorial. My name is Adam Bostrom and I am the Marketing Director for the Alpha Graphics Centers in Rexburg, Idaho, Idaho Falls, Idaho, Logan, Utah, Lehi, Utah, and Orem, Utah. I would like to congratulate you because the print and marketing ordering process for you just got a whole lot easier. I will be guiding you through the process of ordering your business cards. First off, I would like to explain what agOnline is. agOnline is a virtual storefront for all of your print collateral, also known as a web-to-print service. We currently have uploaded your business cards to the service to make the ordering process quicker and easier for your future business card purchases, but it isn't limited to just business cards. You can have whatever print product you have previously purchased through Alpha Graphics or plan to purchase through us in the future on the storefront as well. It isn't limited to just print products, but you can also have your promotional products, apparel, or even marketing campaigns ready to order at a click of a button. One of the major benefits of agOnline, besides saving you time, is that if you have multiple locations, you can have a single spot for all of your locations to order your branded printed materials, promotional products, and marketing campaigns. This strengthens your brand and keeps things consistent across the board. Now what I'd like to do is take you through the process of ordering your business cards. Like I said before, we have uploaded your business cards to the AG storefront or agOnline. So when we uploaded your business cards, we should have sent you an email that contained your login information. So if we open up your email, you should have received an email that says your business cards are uploaded or something similar. If you click on that email, it has a quick little definition or message that welcomes you to the storefront. And then right here in the center of the email, you'll have a login URL, a username, and a password. If you hover over this link, it is a link that will take you to the agOnline storefront. And also, if you look at your username is just going to be the email that you provided us, and a password. And then I'm assuming because you're watching this video, you clicked on this tutorial video. So first off, we're going to click on this link, which is going to open up agOnline.site. And then you're going to put in your email address. Your password, and then you're just going to click on sign in. What this will take you to the home page of the agOnline site. Across the top, you're here because it's got our Alpha Graphics logo up here. And then you also have home button. This will take you back to this home page. Your My Account, you can access your order history, what you've purchased in the past. You can change your personal information. You can add your addresses or remove them. You can change them. And then if you have recipient lists, which are more for the campaign section, you can upload new lists and stuff like that. The next part is your cart. So you won't be using this unless you have something in your cart, and it operates just like a regular shopping cart. But we're going to go back to home. On the left hand side, this is going to be all of the categories for all of the products that we have uploaded on here. So what you're probably going to see is just one category, which is business cards, since you just have business cards uploaded currently. If you click on business cards, this will show all of the business cards that we have uploaded. Most likely it's just going to be one, it's going to be yours. But in time, if you have more business cards or any other products that you want to upload to here, you'll be able to see all of your products in this list as well. So you just want to go and navigate to your business card. Since I'm with Alpha Graphics, I'll go through with Alpha Graphics here. And you click on Place an Order. This will bring you into your business card editing page. This is where you can enter in all the information that's going to go on the business card, and you can also preview it here. So first off, make sure if you have any information that's pre-populated, make sure it's still accurate. Like for instance, let's just change this to the correct title. If you want to add anything else, you can put it in there. Otherwise, you can click refresh preview to proof your business card. So you can take a look, make sure everything's correct. Oh, looks like this is an old email address. So I'm going to actually come in here and change it to my new email address, and then just refresh preview again. And that will give you the updated preview. Now this other information is actually found on the back side, and if you have a back side of your business card, you can click on the arrow, and this will take you to the back side. And just go through, make sure that everything is spelled correctly. There isn't punctuation where there shouldn't be, and your email address is accurate, your phone numbers are correct, and they're formatting correctly. If everything looks good, then go ahead and click on Next. And this will bring you into the page that allows you to select how many business cards you want. If you click on the drop-down arrow under Quantity, you can see that boxes come in 250, 500, or 1,000. And so you can choose which option you want for that. And then this will show you the total quantity that you're looking to get. This will also show you the price that's going to be. Since this is an example or a demo product, I don't have any pricing set up for this, so it shows that. Oh, sorry, yes, I do. So it shows that it's going to cost me $52 for this box of 250 business cards. And you can come down here and you can take a look. It looks like it's 21 cents per business card if you get 250. If you get 500, it's 15 cents, and if you get 1,000, it's 11 cents per business card. So depending on the quantity will depend on the price. You get a good discount for the higher amount that you purchase. If you wanted to see a higher resolution but not a high enough resolution for print proof, you can click on this green button, and you can just take a look at it and you can see, okay, yeah, it's going to look nice. I'm happy with this, and so just click the X to exit out of that and hit click on Proof is approved. So then you're going to hit Add to Cart, and it's going to take you to your shopping cart, and this you'll be able to see all the items that you're purchasing in this, just like any other shopping cart. If you have other items in your storefront that you're wanting to purchase, you can just hit Continue Shopping and then navigate to those products and go through the same process. Otherwise, if you just have the business cards up right now, or if you want to purchase more business cards for different people in your organization, then you can hit Continue Shopping and then click on your business card and go through that same process. Otherwise, if you're ready to check out, you just click on Checkout. This will take you to your order summary page. This allows you to select your billing address. Most likely, if this is your first time logging in, you don't have a billing address set up. And so what you're going to do is you're going to click on Add, which is going to allow you to bring up a dialog box where you can fill out this form to add a billing address. This display name isn't going to print anywhere. All it is for your reference. Like if you look up here, I just named this one Adam. But what the information that is more important to us is going to be who the person is that you want on the billing account, your address, and so forth. Once you have this all filled out, you'll click Submit, and then you should be able to have, if you click on the drop down, you'll be able to choose that billing address. If you come down to shipping address, if your shipping address is the same as your billing, you can just click on that radio button. Otherwise, if you have a separate shipping address, you can click on this radio button and you can set up a shipping address. And what that will do is it'll work in the exact same way, where it'll give you a drop down for all of your shipping addresses. So if you've got one person that's ordering for multiple locations, you can set up all of your shipping addresses inside of here, and whenever you log in, you can just choose whichever shipping address that is going to. So I'm just going to use my billing address. Now, if you're within our delivery distance within the area of our sender's location, we can just deliver it directly to you. Otherwise, if you're outside of our delivery boundaries, you can click on this and you can say which form of shipping you would like us to use. So if it's going to be ground, you can choose ground. If it's going to be 2-day air or next day air, then you have those options as well. I'm just going to select local delivery, and I'm going to hit next. And then this is going to be your final step before you place your order. So you just make sure that everything still looks okay here, and then hit checkout. You'll know when you have made a purchase because it'll take you to the order summary confirmation page. This will say that your order was processed or received successfully, and it'll give you an order number. Now, with the email address that you put into the system, it will send an email, a confirmation email, just stating with your order number and showing this is what you purchased. And so if you have any questions or any concerns about what you see on that confirmation email, you can always reach out to us, and it'll give you the phone number and the email address that you can reach out to us with. If you go to your print order details page, this will also give you a printable version of that receipt. So you can print it off and give it to your controller or whoever handles the bookkeeping in your business. Otherwise, you can just hit continue shopping, or you can sign out, or you can leave the page however you want. But this is a very useful tool. It allows you to be able to order business cards, order your print collateral, your promotional products, and it allows you to proof everything right away and order it so everything gets to you a lot quicker and in a timely manner. So we hope that you'll be able to take advantage of this system and be able to use it to its fullest capabilities. So please reach out to your sales rep if you're interested in adding more products to the storefront, and we'd be happy to put those on there for you as well. Thank you very much, and enjoy ordering.